What up, good people, and welcome to another episode of This Is Dope. It's your man Ahmad here to discuss some dope tech with you today. Well, it is Friday, November 13th, and it is iPhone Day. Well, one of the many iPhone days we've had. As you all know, the iPhone 12 Pro Max was announced in October sometime. Was available for pre-order last week Friday, and today those pre-orders came into stores and will be shipped, and people will be getting their hands on the phone today. The non-early access people like myself. So today's video is going to be about my iPhone 12 Pro and unboxing it, really. There won't be a review. I haven't laid hands on it at all. I just wanted to unbox it for you guys so you could go ahead and see what I see. Well, here we go. So I got my nice handy dandy Apple bag here. Got my case. I bought the, I guess it's I forgot what this is, the poly something. Apple comes up with the weirdest names, but this is the case I wanted to get because it goes great with my 12 Pro Max. I got the blue one. I got the blue 12 Pro Max here. 512. Let's see if they say what's on here. Yeah, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but I got the 512 is probably a glare because of the shiny stuff. Let's go ahead and take this off first, and then you guys will be able to see better what I got. But it was the 512 gigabyte Pacific Blue, I believe is what they're calling it. Pacific Blue. And then I have the, California Poppy is what they're calling this color. So let's go ahead and unbox the phone. I haven't activated yet, so I won't be turning it on and showing you features and whatnot. Just strictly the unboxing. So let's go ahead and pan down a little bit. You guys can see this nice unboxing action happening here. Go ahead, and it's a pretty slim little case. There's nothing inside here. They get right to it, I see. There's no fluff. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the phone. Comes with this little screen protector thing you peel off here. This is a pretty phone. Let's see kind of the glossy sides or the shiny sides. Standard iPhone button layout, and I'll take some photos later, maybe, because I'm shooting actually this video with my 11 Pro Max. So I want to do a side by side, but obviously I can't because I'm using my phone. But here's also the speaker grill. True to Apple's word, there is not a charging brick in here. They do give you the USB-C to Lightning cable, which I have, seems like a million of these. Apple would really be dope if you guys just go ahead and kind of make that switch over to USB-C. I'm just saying. I mean, the iPad Air even has it now. Come on. What are you guys doing? All right, in this little package here, we have our little pin to open our little SIM tray. And then we have the traditional Apple sticker, right? We have this. I never read this. Some people do. I don't. Sorry. I'm not that guy. All right. So let me put this all back over here. Let's open up my case really quick. Excuse the background noise. As usual, I am filming on my patio, and nature seems to be pretty interested in my videos. And so does the wind. Because now I gotta go pick up all of the plastic that just blew into my yard. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up really quick. Nothing in the box, as you can see. There's this little instructions or some Apple something or other in here. I'm going to go ahead and put that in this bag. You can see the wind is picking up. It's also nothing in here. Just some instructions on how to put your case on, I guess. And what you do see, though, is kind of the outline of the MagSafe ring in here, which I think is pretty dope. Once again, I wasn't able to get... The wallets aren't in store yet. And the MagSafe charger, they were out. And then I forgot what they're calling the dual charger, the wireless charger, and the watch charger. Those, when I looked, weren't available for order online yet. So I'm kind of just out there. I'll try another store this weekend, though, to get my MagSafe charger. But I do want you guys to see how this looks in case. So this is the cobalt blue phone with the California poppy case. The blue is pretty dark. I'm not sure if the blue even shows up on camera, but I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty dope. This is the leather case. It wasn't really that bad. It was only 59 bucks. Not bad at all for a leather case. And that's really it. I'm going to go ahead, activate this today. Let me pan up so you guys aren't looking at the bottom of my face. Let's see. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and activate this today. Get it all set up, play with it for a couple of days, and I will be back with a review. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to unbox this for you, share this experience with you, and I'll guess see you guys in a few days when I do my review video. If you like this video, you know what the deal is. Go ahead and push the like button, subscribe if you like the channel. Everybody have a great weekend, awesome rest of your day, and I'm out.